Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
You guys ready for this? It was running like a week ago.
What?
Oh.
What?
What happened?
Dude, it all started like it needed a few bolt-ons, and I was like, yeah, we'll bolt this on, bolt that on.
But now it's gone. You bolted it all on and it just flew away?
It looks like you unbolted more than you bolted.
Yeah, that was the problem. I had to remove some stuff to get to some stuff, and it just all went away.
So, 1, for why? 2, what happened?
For more horsepowers.
Okay.
Do you need a second reason?
Nope.
You know what we do have with something with an LS here.
We do?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out then.
Look at that.
What is this?
How cool is
This is a stock Model A?
Yeah.
What is that thing?
An R33 GTR!
What is that thing?
You spend $1, you get 1 entry to win this R33 GTR. Stop laughing.
Who is the owner of this?
Me.
What's up, Brad?
Oh.
Yeah, we'll give it
Sick
back.
car, Brad. Thank you.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Nice. So first, it's a 1930 Model A sedan that you built for, is it a cruiser? Is it a street machine?
You know, I've always just liked rat rods, and I wanted one, but I kind of wanted like a adult-sized goat-kart too.
That's pretty accurate.
So,
pretty accurate.
That's kind of what it ended up being.
All right, well then,
Yeah.
let's get into the nitty-gritty then.
LS.
Yeah, that's definitely not
But
stock.
it's got a carburetor on it.
Oh my gosh.
That's
Do
wild.
people get mad at you?
Yeah. So that was
Yeah.
the whole goal, was piss everybody off.
You scumbag!
Oh, good job. You're doing it. You're doing it.
How does that work?
So there's an MSD box, you know, that just controls the coils. And then, you know, these ones don't have the distributor. Just the box controls the coils.
And you just play with the carburetor.
Yeah.
So no laptop needed.
No laptop.
Screwdriver.
Yeah.
What size motor is it? Which engine is it?
5.7.
Okay, cool.
Came out of a-
Oh, so it's an actual LS one.
Oh yeah, it
Yeah.
came out of a 2002 WS6 Trans Am.
Nice.
What transmission?
T56 6-speed.
Is that also out of the Trans Am?
Yeah. So the motor training came out of the Trans Am, and then it's got a strange 9-inch adjustable coilovers. So this is custom.
Custom.
100-mile-an-hour door latch.
Wait. Let's see that again. 'Cause for safety. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I like it. It's functional. It's easy to get a hold of.
Yeah.
Home Depot.
Yeah,
if you ever needed
exactly.
more parts, right?
Yeah. It's good.
I also like the quick access fire extinguisher.
You broke his door lock.
Sorry.
You're done. You're done.
Yeah,
Quick
look
access.
at
Yeah.
If you need it, you're gonna get it real quick.
that. You tell us a little something about those big meats in the back.
Yeah. So those are they're 1850 wide, like they're 30 or 31 tall. Yeah, I found those on Craigslist for $400.
With the rims?
No.
I was gonna say,
Oh,
whoa, buddy.
Yeah.
Yo, do you know how the radio works on this thing?
Never used a Lamborghini, anything.
Why would anyone leave a Lamborghini here? Like, well, let's get some music in here. Grab your stereo.
360 stereo surround. Perfect left and right stereo. Even if it rains because we have no roof, it's water resistant, so we're good. Use offer code H68 for 68% off. CoveAudio.com. CoveAudio.com. H68, 68% off. And you can drive a Lambo.
Okay, so you got these gigantic meats, like slabs of meat on the back, and then you got the skinnies up front. I dig it.
How long have you been working on this?
I've had this car almost a decade and got it a long time ago. We were just gonna throw a motor in it and sell it, and then that never happened. It just got pushed to the back of the shop forever.
Looks like somebody we know.
And then I see you no longer have the gas tank up front in the firewall. That's why it was called a firewall.
right.
Because if you got an accident, you could catch on fire. It used to be here, so you put it in the back. That makes way more sense. And it's on a Airbags? Yeah, you got some baggy bags in this thing?
No, that's for the train horn.
Oh, hang on. Hit us with the horn real quick then. Why are you holding out?
I can't. We didn't have time to finish the wiring on it.
So we just need 12 volts to it?
Yeah, tucked up
Somebody
under the
get
Yeah.
Power Pro.
Someone just get it. Yeah, exactly. Great.
I want to point this out. They put all these holes here so they could put this wire through.
They weren't sure where they were
Yeah,
going through, so
right.
they just kept going. There was a sale at Home Depot and 1 3/4 inch hole saw.
Yep.
Burnouts.
I've never tried.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You brought a car here? I have never done a burnout, and I think I can do it.
So yeah, it'll be interesting.
I was to say, how much power is on this motor?
Oh, about 400.
Did you see the tire though?
About 400.
I've never dynoed it.
Okay, but dyno. But dynos is 400.
Yeah.
And you got these slabs of beef on the back.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna do it.
I think I can.
I
do it.
believe in you. I think we need to hear it run.
Yeah, absolutely.
You want to hear it run?
Can't wait to hear it run.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Ready? Are you?
Yes!
Yeah! I think we should probably get out and check it out. We should probably go look real quick. Let's just look real quick.
We're good.
We're good?
Maybe we could give them some smaller tires, but you made up for it. Nice work.
Wow! Wow!
Should we go again?
Who wants to ride along? Oh yeah, hang on. Whew. I'm gonna get some outside action in real quick for you.
Yeah. All right. I don't want to hit you right
My foot slipped off.
Yeah!
That was awesome.
That thing is dangerous.
Wow.
My foot slipped off. Sorry.
Yo, I'm gonna say this is up there with one of the best hot rod burnouts we've seen in the shop. This is up there with TJ Russell.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, Brad. When we hit the container, our heads almost became one. The grill
I think
shell.
there's two options now. One is take the grill off, put it up against the wall, send it to hell. Option two, we find small burners for him to go absolutely hog wild.
Why not both?
Wait, more hog wild than your has?
Yeah, we can go both. It's go time.
Round two?
Round two.
Round two?
On
I'm gonna
like
sit this one out.
literally, I would say like a sixth of the tire you were on previously.
Nice, man. Let's go, Zach. If we can just put this in there and point it towards the front, it might help clear the air out.
He's got it.
Until it just fills with smoke.
I don't know if that's gonna help. You didn't go this way.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Yeah, you're good.
My ventilation. Tire fucking extended.
Round 3! Those tires are still pretty good.
Yeah, they're actually a perfect slick now.
Wow.
Thanks for the shave down on them.
Well, Brad, that was sick.
Thank you.
That was sick.
Such a blast.
Man,
Thanks for having me.
That was prime scumbagging right there.
Yeah, I was pretty excited about that.
Yeah.
But the tires are still good.
Well, we're gonna have to smoke them off out here now.
Man, I'm gonna go with a 64.5 just for a shred score, mainly because of the amount of smoke. It was a wild ride. Not fucking 69. He hit the container, we kept going. It's still running. It puts off a lot of smoke. My back hurts a little bit. 69.
I'm gonna give it a solid 67. That's the only cool rad with the rat rod I know.
Commitment level on the size tire that had, and the fact that he hit the container, kept going, and that thing's like super hard to drive. That's traditional steering on there, right? Like, that's a lot. Went, and he wanted to keep going. Like, we actually told him to stop because we got other shit to do today. 66.6, man.
Thing's pretty rowdy. Every time he came around that corner, you could feel the heat coming off of big old tires. I'm going 59.
I'm gonna have to give this one a 69. It was just to the moon. Hit the wall. The thing has an engine hoist as a transmission mount and chains holding up the radiator.
Nads? Yeah, Nads things. Michael's gonna do Michael things. Soupy's just gonna look always upset and mad he's here. All the time. You always look so bummed out you're here.
It's just my natural face.
Yeah, your resting face is just like, meh.
Yeah.
Yeah.